Hey guys, I'm here to talk about magnetism and electricity and its relations to our day-to-day lives. Please enjoy the video and sit back, watch and relax. Hey guys, I'm here to talk about magnetism and electricity and its relations to our day-to-day lives. These are the examples of an electricity that are used in our day-to-day lives. One example of an electricity used in our day-to-day lives is this switch. It illuminates the hallway of our dormitory.
I was 24 years old when I met the woman I would call.
I will show you other examples of electricity using different electromagnets. These are the charging station. This power bank is charged using electricity and with the help of a charger and a wire connected to this power bank. It helps charge its ions to provide electricity to our phones in our rooms. Other examples of the use of electricity to cool our drinking water in a form of a drinking fountain. The drinking fountain I've been talking about that cools our water so that we can drink it chilled. Mm.